Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the stunning Bollywood actress Sakshi Malik and her fashion choices that have caught everyone's attention. The actress is gaining attention on social media for her latest photoshoot featuring a two-piece swimsuit. Her fans are once again captivated by her stunning appearance in a pink and blue floral bikini set which is complemented by the picturesque backdrop. She is renowned for her bikini pictures on social media, and this latest set of photos continues to garner admiration from her followers. Sakshi Malik's social media can transport you to the Maldives in a snap. You won't experience FOMO after catching a glimpse of her blue-watered photos, which will quench your thirst for adventure. Of course, there were plenty of bikinis on display, and they were some of the most colorful we've ever seen. We never imagined that the golden hour in the Maldives could look so serene until she added her rainbow touch. We adored her vibrant bikini, which could rival any golden hour on the planet. It appears that colorful bikinis shine brighter than the sun during golden hours, making them even more extraordinary. The actress is known for her bold fashion choices and experimenting with different colors. She has been seen wearing vibrant colors like bright pinks, yellows, and blues, and she carries them off beautifully. She's not afraid to experiment with different color combinations and always manages to look stunning. Another aspect that sets Sakshi Malik apart is her love for accessories. She loves to accessorize her outfits with statement pieces like earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Her accessories always complement her outfits and enhance her overall look. Apart from experimenting with colors, she also loves to experiment with fabrics. She has been seen wearing outfits made from different fabrics like silk, cotton, and chiffon. She carries off each fabric with ease and makes it look stylish. Sakshi Malik's fashion sense is not limited to just her outfits. Trying out various hairstyles is also something she enjoys. From braids to messy buns, Sakshi has tried it all. Her unique hairstyles add a touch of quirkiness to her overall look. She loves to wear statement shoes that complement her outfits. She has been seen wearing sneakers, boots, and stilettos that add a pop of color and style to her look. When it comes to red carpet events, she knows how to make heads turn. She has been seen in elegant gowns and dresses that highlight her curves and add a touch of glamour to her overall look. Her makeup and hairstyle are always on point and perfectly complement her outfit. The actress is not afraid to mix and match different ethnic wear to create a unique look. She has been seen wearing fusion wear like a sari with a crop top or a kurta with denim shorts. Her fusion wear always manages to turn heads and sets a new trend in the fashion industry. Sakshi is known for her love for fusion wear, and she often mixes traditional Indian wear with Western outfits. For example, she pairs a kurta with jeans or a sari with a denim jacket. This creates a unique look that blends different cultures and styles. She isn't afraid to wear bold prints and patterns. She has been seen wearing animal prints, floral prints, and geometric patterns. These prints add a fun and playful element to her outfits and show off her bold personality. Sakshi is a fitness enthusiast, and she often wears athleisure outfits. She pairs leggings with crop tops or sports bras and adds a hoodie or a bomber jacket to complete the look. This creates a comfortable yet stylish outfit that's perfect for a workout or a casual day out. The actress has been seen wearing monochrome outfits that create a sleek and sophisticated look. She pairs a single color from head to toe, and adds accessories like a belt or statement earrings to add interest to the outfit. Sakshi Malik's fashion choices also include minimalist outfits that focus on clean lines and simple silhouettes. She pairs a basic white shirt with high-waisted pants or a little black dress with a pair of heels. This creates a classic and timeless look that never goes out of style. The actress loves denim and has been seen wearing it in different styles. From denim jackets to dungarees, she knows how to style them in different ways. She pairs denim with a variety of outfits to create a stylish and edgy look. She loves to accessorize her outfits with trendy and stylish pieces. She has been seen wearing oversized sunglasses, statement earrings, hats, and scarves. These accessories add a finishing touch to her outfit and make her stand out in the crowd. Sakshi loves to wear high-slit dresses that showcase her toned legs. She pairs these dresses with stilettos and minimal accessories to create a stunning look. She also loves to wear off-shoulder outfits that highlight her collarbones and shoulders. She pairs these outfits with statement earrings or a choker necklace to create a chic and stylish look. Sakshi is not afraid to experiment with bold lip colors like red, plum, or coral. She pairs these lip colors with minimal makeup and a sleek hairstyle to create a striking and bold look. Sakshi has found the perfect outfit to shimmer and shine. A modern take on the flapper dress. Her chainmail dress boasts a cowl halter neckline, shed-like cutouts with chain designs running across her, and a daringly high slit on the side, but that's just how Sakshi rolls. If that wasn't enough, her completely backless dress will convince you that she can do anything. The glitzier, the better for Sakshi, and her shiny silver hoops perfectly complement her outfit. To complete the Y2K meets party vibe of her look, she styled her messy waves into a high ponytail on top. It's no surprise that Sakshi gives this outfit her stamp of approval. The actress loves ruffles and has been seen wearing outfits with ruffle detailing. Whether it's a ruffled top or a ruffled skirt, she knows how to add a feminine touch to her outfits with less trendy detailing. Sakshi is often seen wearing crop tops that show off her toned midriff. She pairs them with high-waisted pants or skirts to create a balanced and stylish look. She loves to wear sheer fabrics like chiffon, lace, and organza. She pairs these fabrics with solid colors or contrasting textures to create a romantic and dreamy look. Sakshi loves to add a pop of color to her outfit with bold outerwear. Whether it's a bright blazer or a colorful trench coat, she knows how to make a statement with her outerwear choices. The actress doesn't shy away from experimenting with different hairstyles. From sleek ponytails to messy buns, she knows how to style her hair in different ways to complement her outfit. The actress loves to wear power suits that make her look confident and powerful. She pairs them with statement accessories and bold lip colors to create a sophisticated and stylish look. Sakshi loves to wear anarkali dresses that are traditional Indian wear. She pairs them with statement earrings and minimal makeup to create an elegant and graceful look. Sakshi Malik knows how to layer her outfits to create a stylish and interesting look. She layers a denim jacket over a maxi dress or a blazer over a crop top to add depth and texture to her outfit. She loves to wear stripes in different styles and patterns. She pairs a striped top with high-waisted pants or a striped dress with bold accessories to create a chic and stylish look. The actress loves jumpsuits and wears them in different styles and colors. She pairs them with high heels and statement accessories to create a modern and stylish look. Sakshi Malik loves to wear outfits with bold prints that make a statement. She pairs a printed dress with minimal accessories and sleek hair to create a stylish and trendy look. The actress also loves athleisure wear and has been seen wearing it on many occasions. She pairs a tracksuit with sneakers and minimal accessories to create a comfortable and stylish look. Sakshi often wearing metallics and has been seen wearing outfits with metallic detailing. She pairs a metallic skirt with a solid color top or a metallic jacket with denim to create a chic and stylish look. She loves the classic combination of black and white and has been seen wearing it in different styles. She pairs a white shirt with black pants or a black dress with white accessories to create a timeless and stylish look. She loves monochrome outfits and has been seen wearing them in different colors. She pairs a red jumpsuit with red heels or a green dress with green accessories to create a bold and stylish look. The actress loves off-shoulder outfits and has been seen wearing them on many occasions. She pairs an off-shoulder top with high-waisted pants or a skirt to create a stylish and feminine look. The actress loves embroidery and has been seen wearing outfits with intricate embroidery detailing. She pairs an embroidered dress with minimal accessories and natural makeup to create an elegant and graceful look. Sakshi loves to accessorize her outfits with statement accessories like earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. She pairs a bold necklace with a simple dress or statement earrings with a high neck top to create a fashionable and trendy look. She loves boho style and has been seen wearing it in different styles. She pairs a flowy maxi dress with sandals and a hat or a fringe jacket with denim to create a carefree and stylish look. Sakshi loves to experiment with different lip colors to complement her outfit. She pairs a bold red lip with a black dress or a nude lip with a colorful outfit to create a trendy and fashionable look. Sakshi often loves to wear outfits with floral prints that exude femininity and grace. She pairs a floral dress with nude heels and simple accessories to create a romantic and charming look. She loves to wear animal prints in different styles and patterns. She pairs a leopard print skirt with a black top or a zebra print jacket with denim to create a bold and trendy look. Sakshi loves to accessorize her outfits with scarves in different styles and fabrics. She ties a silk scarf around her neck or a printed scarf around her hair to create a chic and stylish look. The actress loves to wear leather in different styles and colors. She pairs a leather jacket with a simple top or a leather skirt with a blouse to create a stylish and edgy look. She loves to wear sheer outfits that showcase her elegant and graceful side. She pairs a sheer blouse with a bralette or a sheer dress with minimal accessories to create a sophisticated and chic look. The actress loves to experiment with bold colors like red, orange, and green to make a statement with her fashion choices. She pairs a bright colored dress with minimal accessories and simple makeup to create a trendy and stylish look. Sakshi loves pleats and has been seen wearing outfits with pleated detailing. She pairs a pleated skirt with a blouse or a pleated dress with simple accessories to create a feminine and elegant look. Sakshi stresses the importance of staying hydrated for healthy and glowing skin. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep her skin hydrated and flush out toxins from her body. Sakshi follows a daily CTM routine to maintain healthy and clear skin. She uses a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities from her skin, followed by a toner to balance the pH level of her skin, and finally, a moisturizer to keep her skin hydrated and soft. The actress never leaves the house without applying sunscreen to protect her skin from harmful UV rays. She uses a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and reapplies it every 2 to 3 hours when outdoors. She believes that exercise is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. She follows a regular workout routine that includes cardio, strength training, and yoga to stay fit and healthy. She follows a healthy and balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. She avoids processed and junk food and prefers to eat home-cooked meals to nourish her body from within. She takes good care of her hair to keep it healthy and shiny. She uses a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to avoid damaging her hair, and she deep conditions her hair once a week to keep it nourished and hydrated. Sakshi prefers to wear minimal makeup to let her natural beauty shine through. She uses a tinted moisturizer, mascara, and lip balm for a natural and effortless look. She believes that getting enough sleep is crucial for healthy skin and overall well-being. She makes sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to allow her body to rest and rejuvenate. Sakshi understands the negative impact of stress on overall health and beauty. She manages stress through meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises, which help her stay calm and relaxed. Sakshi uses natural remedies to maintain healthy skin and hair. She applies aloe vera gel to soothe her skin, coconut oil to moisturize her hair, and turmeric to brighten her skin. Sakshi visits a professional skincare specialist for regular facials and skin treatments. These treatments help to improve her skin's texture and enhance its natural glow. She believes in the importance of self-care for maintaining inner and outer beauty. She takes time for herself to do things she enjoys, such as reading, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. She believes that confidence is the key to true beauty. She embraces her natural features and imperfections and does not let societal beauty standards define her self-worth. Sakshi is not afraid to experiment with new makeup looks and hairstyles. She believes that trying new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone can help you discover new beauty trends and enhance your natural features. The actress prefers to use water-based makeup products that do not clog her pores or cause breakouts. She avoids using heavy, oil-based products that can damage her skin. Sakshi believes in the power of facial massages to enhance her skin's texture and promote blood circulation. She uses a jade roller or a gua sha tool to massage her face gently, which helps to reduce puffiness and give her skin a natural glow. She prefers to apply her makeup in natural lighting to ensure that her makeup looks natural and flawless. She avoids using harsh artificial lighting, which can make her makeup appear too heavy or cakey. The actress believes that good posture can enhance one's beauty and confidence. She practices good posture, which not only makes her look taller and more confident but also improves her overall health. Sakshi takes good care of her lips by exfoliating them regularly with a homemade sugar scrub and moisturizing them with a hydrating lip balm. She avoids using lip products that contain harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. The actress believes in the importance of regular skincare treatments to maintain healthy and glowing skin. She visits a dermatologist or esthetician regularly for treatments like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or laser facials to keep her skin looking fresh and youthful. Sakshi understands the importance of sun protection to prevent premature aging and skin damage. She wears sunscreen with a high SPF and reapplies it regularly throughout the day. She also wears protective clothing and accessories like hats and sunglasses to shield her skin from harmful UV rays. Sakshi prioritizes getting enough sleep to maintain her overall health and beauty. She ensures that she gets at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, which helps to reduce under-eye bags and promote a healthy complexion. The actress believes that a healthy diet is essential for achieving beautiful skin and hair. She incorporates plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into her diet and avoids processed foods and sugary snacks. Sakshi takes good care of her hair by washing it regularly with a gentle shampoo and conditioning it with a hydrating conditioner. She also avoids using excessive heat styling tools and uses a heat protectant spray when she does. She trims her hair regularly to prevent split ends and maintains a healthy hair care routine. The actress practices mindfulness to reduce stress and maintain a positive outlook. She takes time each day to meditate or practice yoga, which helps to calm her mind and promote a sense of inner peace. She also practices gratitude, which helps her stay grounded and appreciate the beauty around her. Sakshi believes that self-care is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. She takes time for herself each day to do things that make her feel good, such as taking a bath, reading a book, or doing a face mask. This self-care routine helps her to relax and recharge, which ultimately contributes to her overall beauty. She prefers to wear minimal makeup on a daily basis. She focuses on enhancing her natural beauty rather than covering it up with heavy makeup. She uses a tinted moisturizer, mascara, and a lip balm to achieve a natural, effortless look. The actress believes that inner beauty is just as important as outer beauty. She prioritizes cultivating positive qualities like kindness, compassion, and generosity, which ultimately enhance her overall beauty. This focus on inner beauty helps her to radiate confidence and positivity, which makes her even more beautiful. Sakshi has also done various traditional photoshoots where she is seen wearing beautiful Indian ethnic wear like saris, lehengas, and salwar suits. These photoshoots showcase her natural beauty and traditional style with a touch of modernism. She has also done various glamorous photoshoots where she is seen wearing bold and trendy outfits with heavy makeup and accessories. These photoshoots highlight her confident and glamorous side, which adds to her overall versatility as a model and actor. Sakshi has done several fitness photoshoots where she is seen sporting athletic wear and showcasing her toned and fit physique. These photoshoots promote a healthy and active lifestyle and inspire her fans to stay fit and active. Sakshi has graced the covers of various fashion and lifestyle magazines including Maxim, FHM, and Health and Nutrition. These covers showcase her beauty, style, and personality and give her fans a glimpse into her personal and professional life. She has also been a part of various brand campaigns for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle brands. These campaigns showcase her as a brand ambassador and highlight her style, beauty, and personality while promoting the brand. The actress has also done numerous outdoor photoshoots, which feature her in natural settings like parks, beaches, and mountains. These photoshoots capture her beauty in a natural and organic way, showcasing her as a versatile and adaptable model. Sakshi has also done several conceptual photoshoots, where she is seen portraying a character or a specific theme. These photoshoots showcase her acting skills, as well as her ability to transform herself into a different persona. The actress has also done various black and white photoshoots, which give her a timeless and classic look. These photoshoots capture her beauty in a unique and artistic way, and add a touch of elegance to her overall portfolio. Sakshi has collaborated with various photographers, makeup artists, and stylists to create unique and innovative photoshoots. These collaborations showcase her willingness to work with different creative minds and help her to continuously evolve and improve her skills. Sakshi often shares behind-the-scenes photos and videos from her photoshoots on her social media accounts, which gives her fans a glimpse into her work and creative process. The actress is known for her flawless and radiant skin, and close-up shots are a great way to capture her beauty in all its glory. Whether it's a makeup photoshoot or a simple portrait, her close-up shots are always stunning and captivating. Sakshi has also done various high-fashion photoshoots, where she is seen wearing avant-garde outfits and posing in edgy and dramatic poses. These photoshoots showcase her bold and fearless personality, as well as her ability to pull off even the most daring looks. Sakshi Malik's candid shots are just as impressive as her professional photoshoots. Whether it's a behind-the-scenes photo or a candid shot taken during a shoot, her natural and unfiltered beauty shines through, making her relatable and approachable to her fans. Sakshi's artistic shots are a testament to her creativity and versatility as a model. Whether it's a surreal and dreamy photo or a bold and abstract shot, her artistic photoshoots showcase her willingness to push the boundaries and explore new ideas. Sakshi Malik's ethnic wear photoshoots are a tribute to her Indian roots and showcase her traditional beauty. From saris to lehengas to kurtas, she looks stunning in every Indian outfit and captures the essence of Indian culture in her photoshoots. Sakshi is not afraid to show off her sensual side, and her bold and sensual photoshoots are a testament to her confidence and self-assuredness. These photoshoots showcase her feminine and seductive side and add a touch of glamour to her portfolio. Sakshi's fun and playful photoshoots are a reflection of her bubbly and lively personality. Whether she's posing with props or making funny faces, her playful photoshoots showcase her fun-loving nature and add a sense of joy to her portfolio. Apart from her photoshoots, Sakshi's social media pages are also a great source of inspiration for beauty and fashion enthusiasts. She often shares her beauty secrets, makeup tutorials, and outfit ideas with her followers, helping them to achieve the perfect look. Sakshi often accessorizes her outfits with statement earrings. Whether it's oversized hoops, tassel earrings, or chandelier earrings, she knows how to make a statement with her jewelry. Sakshi's collection of sunglasses is as impressive as her wardrobe. She loves to experiment with different styles and often opts for bold and oversized sunglasses that add a touch of glamour to her look. Sakshi's love for chunky boots is evident from her wardrobe. She often pairs her dresses and skirts with chunky boots, giving her look an edgy and rebellious vibe. She knows the power of a well-fitted blazer. Whether she's wearing it with jeans or over a dress, a fitted blazer adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to her look. The actress is not afraid to experiment with animal print. From leopard print to snake print, she knows how to incorporate this trend into her wardrobe in a chic and stylish way. Sakshi's love for high-waisted bottoms is evident from her fashion choices. Whether it's high-waisted jeans or skirts, they accentuate her curves and give her a retro-inspired look. Sakshi Malik's collection of denim jackets is a must-see. She often pairs her jackets with dresses or skirts, giving her look a casual yet chic vibe. She loves wrap dresses and knows how to style them in a way that flatters her body. Whether it's a floral wrap dress or a solid colored one, she always looks effortlessly stylish in them. Sakshi's collection of leather jackets is as impressive as her fashion choices. She often pairs her jackets with skinny jeans and boots, giving her look a tough and edgy vibe. Sakshi's boho chic style is perfect for summer. She often wears flowy dresses, off-shoulder tops, and floral prints, adding a touch of femininity and whimsy to her look. The actress' collection of leather jackets and skirts is a must-see. She often pairs them with feminine blouses and heels, giving her look a touch of edginess. Sakshi is not afraid to wear bold colors. Whether it's a bright red dress or a yellow blouse, she always looks confident and stylish in bold colors. Sakshi Malik is a big fan of midi skirts. She often wears them in different styles, including pleated, aligned, and pencil skirts. She pairs them with crop tops, blouses, and jackets, creating a chic and sophisticated look. She loves to wear prints. Whether it's a floral print dress or a geometric print blouse, she always looks fashionable and on trend in prints. Sakshi often wears high-waisted pants, which create a flattering and elongating effect. She pairs them with crop tops, blouses, and jackets, creating a chic and stylish look. The actress knows the power of a statement outerwear piece. Whether it's a brightly colored coat or a patterned blazer, she always adds a touch of personality and style to her look with a statement outerwear piece. Sakshi knows the power of a statement outerwear piece. Whether it's a brightly colored coat or a patterned blazer, she always adds a touch of personality and style to her look with a statement outerwear piece. Sakshi Malik's fashion choices are versatile and unique, reflecting her personality and sense of style. She knows how to mix and match different styles, patterns, and fabrics, creating fashion-forward looks that inspire her fans. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.